Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix E9 error on Hisense Dehumidifier. An E9 error on Hisense Dehumidifier typically indicate a malfunction with the unit sensor or similar internal error. To fix this issue, first of all you have to reset the unit. For that you have to unplug the dehumidifier from the power outlet and then you have to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after waiting for 10 to 15 minutes you have to plug it back in and turn it on to see the error if persist or not. If the issue still persists, you can try to check the filter. Ensure the air filter is clean. A dry air filter can cause various issues. Remove the filter, clean it according to the manufacturer instruction and reinstall it. After that you have to inspect the sensor, open the unit and check for any obvious issue with the sensor. Look for any loose connection or derby that might be causing the error. After that you have to make sure the dehumidifier is placed in an area with good airflow and is not obstructed. Hopefully this video help you to fix your E9 error on your Hisense dehumidifier. Thanks for watching.